Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 1, Finite Difference. Outcome of this lecture, difference operator and its definition, and relation between difference operator. Finite difference. Consider the arguments x0, x1, x2 and so on xn and the entries y0, y1, y2 and so on yn, where y is equal to f of x be a function of capital X. Let us assume that the values of x are in increasing order and equally spaced with space length h. Then the values of x may be taken to be x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, and so on x0 plus nh, and the function assumes the values f of x0, f of x0 plus h, f of x0 plus 2h, f of x0 plus nh. Here we study sum of the finite difference of the function y is equal to f of x. Here we are going to discuss about the first difference operator, forward difference operator, and it is called as a delta operator. Let y is equal to f of x be a given function of x. Let y0, y2 and so on yn be the values of y at x0, x1, x2 and so on xn respectively. Then y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2 and so on yn minus 1 are called the first forward difference of the function. They are denoted by delta y0, delta y1 and so on delta yn minus 1 respectively. That is delta y0 is equal to y1 minus y0, delta y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 and so on delta yn minus 1 is equal to yn minus 1. In general, delta yn is equal to yn plus 1 minus yn. The symbol delta is called the forward difference operator and pronounced as delta. Backward difference operator. Y is equal to f of x be a given function of x. Let y0, y1 and so on yn be the values of y at x0, x1, x2 and so on xn respectively. Then y1 minus y0 is equal to del y1, y2 minus y1 is equal to del y2 and so on yn minus 1 is equal to del yn are called first differences. The operator del is called backward difference operator and pronounced as NEPLA. Next we are going to discuss about the shifting operator, capital E. Let y is equal to f of x be a given function of x and x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h and so on x0 plus nh be the consecutive values of x. Then the operator capital E is defined as E of f of x0 is equal to f of x0 plus h. Capital E is called the shifting operator and it is also called the displacement operator. E of f of x0 plus h is equal to f of x0 plus 2h, E of f of x0 plus 2h is equal to f of x0 plus 3h and so on. E of f of x is equal to f of x plus h, where h is the equal interval of spacing. And E square f of x means the operator of capital E is applied twice on f of x. That is E square of f of x is equal to E of f of x, that is equal to E of f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus 2h. In general, e power n f of x is equal to f of x plus nh and e power minus n f of x is equal to f of x minus nh. And the properties of E. E of f of 1x plus f2 of x and so on fn of x is equal to E of E into f1 of x plus E into f2 of x plus and so on E into fn of x. E of c into f of x is equal to c into e of f of x, where c is constant. E power m in of e power n of f of x is equal to e power n of e power m f of x is equal to e power m plus n f of x. If n is positive integer, then e of n of e power minus n into f of x is equal to f of x. So next we are going to discuss about the central difference operator, that is a small delta. Already we discussed about the capital delta. This is called as a small delta. The difference operator small delta defined by delta of f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 minus f of x minus h by 2. Small delta of fi is equal to fi plus 1 by 2 minus fi minus 1 by 2 is called the central difference operator, and small delta square fi is equal to delta of fi plus 1 by 2 minus fi minus 1 by 2 is equal to fi plus 1 minus fi minus of fi minus fi minus 1. That is fi plus 1 minus 2 fi plus fi minus 1. So this is a relation between these four operators. We can say E is equal, we can relate the E and delta is a delta plus 1. E and del is a 1 minus del power minus 1. And we can relate the delta and E is a E minus 1. And delta into del 1 minus del power minus 1 minus 1. Del is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1, and del relation between delta and del is 1 minus 1 plus del whole power minus 1, and the relation between small delta and capital E is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2, and the relation between small delta and capital delta is a delta into 1 plus delta whole power minus 1 by 2, and the relation between small delta into del is a del 1 minus del whole power minus 1 by 2. Thank you.